Hi guys, I'm Daddy.
Yeah, that's going fine. Okay, so now it's me on my own.
Just unbox one and then do another video
I
unboxing.
will. Guys, I'm just doing an unboxing. And can you guess what? It's a mystery unboxing. Well, I already know, so it's not. So first, dun, 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 dun. This is the one unboxing I'm going to do. Boom! It's a Lego set. Lego is sponsoring this video. Thanks, Lego. And this is like a ski thing. It doesn't say what it is. There's another picture of it. And it's clearly got a guy in it. It doesn't say what it includes either. It just says Lego. Why? Lego City. Lego City. Ooh, and it's 5 to 12 ages. But I'm 8, so I'm good to play. And it's just got Lego logo there. Lego logo there. Lego logo on the top. With the guy on the side. Choking hazard. Not suitable for under 3 years old, which you could choke on these. So if you're 3, you know the guy, what's his name? Michael. He's in the back there. He's sitting he's got a red t-shirt on. And he's sitting at the back row. There they are. Lego pieces with the guy in it. You've got bag one. The one and only bag. You've got builder, instruction manual, and another Lego piece there. So, instruction manual. I'm just going to pause, I'm going to snap, and I'm going to put this together, okay? Right guys, so I've got the man together. He's on some ski things. I've got to tell you, it's a skiing thing. So I'm just going to snap again. I'm going to put the ship together. Peace. Right guys, it's a finished article of it. Ski thing. Windshield comes over, or windscreen. And it clips back in there. These parts move. These parts move. And guys, I'm in the bedroom by the way. In England, not sunny England. It's like a bit grey today. You've got the guy. Got the guy inside. And I've also got some other Lego figures what I brought with me. Some lights there. Yeah, so I think you've got to put them lights on there. Them holes there. It's got a Lego figure in it, like I said. I'm going to take the guy out. There you go. The guy's got a hat on. And these. I'm taking off his skiing sandals. Skiing. His things for skiing. For going around the mountain like. So I'm just going to put him back in there. Take the things off. They're easy to snap off. I'm going to show you something really cool, guys. Well, you might not think it's cool, but I think it's cool. I think it's cool. I'll show you in a minute, guys. I'm just putting his flippers on. Flippers? What's flippers? Flippers on. So look guys, it's got a big fan at the back, it can spin around, but it doesn't like, it's not like lead to push it or anything, just, you spin it over yourself. So it's like a big fan. So it goes, oh wow, I broke it. There's only a 1-seater guys, which I expect it's going to be 1-seater. It's going to be zooming, like, zoom. Zoom balloon. So there. Ski thing. Doesn't say what it is on it. Oh guys, it's actually got a chainsaw and a walkie-talkie. So let's put the chainsaws on his hand, in one of his hands. He's wearing a hat. Probably because he's in England. In England, it's cold. He's holding his chainsaw in one hand and his walkie-talkie in his other. And guys, so this is the end of this video. You've got to make sure you like and subscribe. Guys, sorry, he's got this thing as well, like a. I don't know if you can see. It's like a small screen. Small screen, and it's got this flingy. He's got his thingy diggy for. Oh wow! It came off all. All of it came off. Should I say? Not came off all. I don't know how to speak anymore, guys. So I just need to look for. Not one of those orange thingy-diggies. I can't find it. Never do unboxings in the bed so it doesn't get stuck in the pillowcase. Or wherever it is. I don't know what it is. So anyway guys, that was the end of my video. Hope you liked this video. If you did, please like and subscribe. And please like and subscribe. And if you don't know how to do that, there's a subscribe button that says subscribe. It's red and white. And if you click that, you'll be able to see more. Sign in. It's free. It's easy.